So we're here today. My name is Christian Carter.
I'm Costa Abdullah.
I'm Abria Marshall.
And we're going to talk to you a little bit about the TILP educational robot. So the project definition here was we wanted to create a device which is a low-cost alternative for something which already exists, whether it's the Lego Mindstorm robot or the countless other options that are out there to teach kids how to code. We started off thinking we would be designing a device somewhere around $350, and that's not a very feasible price for most families and most schools. So we took that and we brought it down to something that costs $50 with all of the power of your Lego Mindstorm and all of the fun factor as well.
So what the robot is essentially, there's two microcontrollers on it, and initially the kids are going to learn to play with it by using your typical remote controller to control it. And it's something that they've all done with remote control cars. And after they do it for a while, they're going to take the remote controller away from them and tell them that, hey, you're going to keep playing with this, you're going to have to start learning to code. And they're gonna teach them a really basic programming language that we made ourselves, and it's really easy to learn.
We were able to visit Sycamore Academy over in Cincinnati, Ohio. We were able to actually interact with 6 groups, about 20 each, of 3rd and 4th graders that we actually were able to work with the robot and teach them how to code. We had groups of both experience levels. Some had prior experience programming, and even they were able to get something out of it. Those who we asked, have you ever coded before, didn't even know what code was, came out of it a lot more enriched and were able to code based solely what we taught them based on the robot.
In the future, this is a device that the kids can not only learn on, but they can keep coding with it. So because we use a Raspberry Pi device, these are very accessible devices. The children could learn to install other parts. You can see here that we have a camera on board the device. We also have an RC controller. They could learn to program by putting color sensors on there. They could learn to program by putting any sort of sensor really that they want on the robot itself. They could also use the Raspberry Pi for any other thing they want. Raspberry Pis can be used to stream movies. They can be used just like a regular computer. So we're really giving them tools that are out there. They're powerful, but we're bringing them to the base level first. So once they've learned how to code, they can go on and they can start doing their own programs and maybe even program their own TILP.